What did you do, American?
Too fast.
Yeah, no.
Spoiling the fun for everyone.
Yeah, the Austrian people are pussies, I tell you. Have you seen the Kickstarter on this Yamaha?
No.
It's a Kickstarter. An electro-start. It's an electro-start.
That says it all.
Paul, just do it again. Come on.
Oh no, I don't want to spoil it forever. What a fun bike though, huh? Okay, I'm all officially jealous.
Yes.
Fantastic. Handles really well.
Yes. Who knew?
No,
Yeah.
good bike.
When I went up there.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's great.
It's very stable.
Yeah, very stable. Yeah, more than, I mean, I've ridden a lot of Vincent's. It handles better than any of them.
What did
He said, I'm ruining it for everyone. We're guests here in the national park.
We are only in Austria, yeah?
you really said that?
But he really said that. I told you we have a little bit of history.
Oh,
So, what a beast, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
This is a really fine motorcycle.
Yeah.
Really excellent. The best Vincent I've ever ridden by far. And the fastest too. I don't know what that one is like. But this is really nice.
Didn't you? No, you didn't ride it yesterday.
No.
Okay.
No. I should take it out for a ride.